What's up, YouTube? The weather finally cleared up outside and I can take this thing on a ride. First, gotta set this Ohlins steering dampener. I have to set it here to adjust. Let's see, the adjustment knob has 18 different positions and counts in number of clicks from maximum to hard soft position. Okay, how to set. Set the damper to maximum hard by turning the knob clockwise until it stops. Okay? Being it's kind of like reverse, so you want to turn it clockwise until it stops. Okay. Oh yeah, I feel a difference. It's harder to. Okay, so it's definitely harder to push the handlebars. Okay, I feel that. So that's maximum hard right there, all the way to the right, which is clockwise. Now, 2, set the damper to 10 clicks counterclockwise towards the maximum soft position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, there's a difference. I feel that. So it's lighter. And then when we come back, I'll say, if your vehicle feels unstable, turn the adjustment knob clockwise 2 steps at a time until you have the performance you desire. In urban areas, we recommend you set the steering dampener to maximum soft. Oh, okay. Okay. Do not set the dampener less than 5 clicks. Okay. The SDEC is continuously adjusted by the SCU, the suspension control unit, to optimum dampening depending on riding. No manual adjustment is necessary. Okay. So we got it set on basically maximum soft to be urban areas. It's basically like, you know, the streets and stuff like that. So we'll turn it clockwise if we need to adjust it based off the ride, but I'm excited. Get this thing out there on the road and then test it out. Alright, let's go on the ride. Now, if you can't tell, I'm in the high winds and it's super sturdy now. Alright, what's up, YouTube? I'm out here testing out this Ohlins steering dampener. And I've only been on the bike for a few minutes and already noticed a difference how stable it is. Like right here, before, it would wobble like in the wind. Now it's like planted. Yeah, like I was saying, back there in those turns right there, prior to having this on here, it will wobble in the wind. It'll kind of shake. It would be like uneasy, but now it feels like planted. It's super straight now, the bike. This is my first time being able to ride in months, because we had actually got hit with winter here in the DMV area. Like snow and ice, everything. Our last storm we got was like 9 inches of snow, which is kind of crazy for out here. We usually don't get that much snow out here. Watch this turn right here. Super planted. Good, like it feels more confident in the turns. Right here we get how it winds. The steering would shake like that. Now it's planted. Yeah, definitely a lot better. This thing takes curves like a champ. Planted. Oh man, I'm super happy with my purchase. Super planted. No chatter in the wheel. Can I hang on? Oh my goodness. Alright, we slow down. I'll come usually over here. Yeah, I definitely feel a difference, so I think that setting is the ultimate setting. Alright y'all, back from my ride. I want to talk about the total price of this, things like that, and the requirements to install it. But the price of it right here, guys, from CNC Racing, here's right here, you guys can see that. Steering damper kit, €395, and they put the US amount here. It's about $429. about $430 in US. And that's just for this piece here, which connects to this here, this black piece there, as you can see in the picture. You can pick any color. You can get black, you can get silver, black, gold, and red. Here y'all go right here, and that's the piece I was talking about right there, this little brace that holds on to the actual damper. So that's just the kit. So basically $430 just for the kit, and then you gotta purchase the actual steering damper, which they sell there too. It's right here, 442 euro. It equates to about $481 with some change in US dollars. So that's for this piece. The actual the black one is that price. I wonder if the silver one is the same. Let me look and see. The silver one's actually cheaper. So if you go with a basic colorway, it's a little bit cheaper. It's $370, which equates to about $403 US dollars. So a little cheaper, but I want to go with the black one because the bike is mostly all the accessories and stuff around the bike is black. The black fits better, and you see the little gold knob on it. So that's that. So the question remains now, is it after riding with it, the install wasn't as difficult at all, really. So we'll talk about the install first. You have to actually lift up the bars, of course, and then the triple tree you gotta lift up just to put this little piece right here on the collar, because it has to go around. It has to go around there, and the only way it fits is to lift it up. So that's how you do that. So once you get that off, that's the most difficult part, is getting the triple tree off and putting it back on. Installing this, the actual CNC racing piece and the actual Ohlins Steering Damper, is not hard at all. And it comes with directions too. So, but now, so the question is this worth the money? That's kind of relative to your situation. Ride on the highway time to time, so, and I didn't like how it performs on the highway, the bike, because it's so light. It kind of shakes in any wind or whatever. It's kind of make the bike unstable, the front wheel unstable a little bit. But I noticed an improved handling and everything like that in turns, and then of course on the highway and even highway speeds, it just performs a little bit better. So that's what I wanted, and so that's how much it cost. So, and then the total is about $912. So it's relative to if you want to spend that much on it. It is a little expensive for what you get, but I mean, it's a name brand steering dampener. It's Ohlins. It's the top of the line suspension and steering dampener company. So, but I'm happy with it. And do I wish it would have been cheaper? Yeah, but it is what it is. So let me know if you have any questions or concerns about it. Please remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Peace.